Fantasy Wars, Russian, formerly Mythic Wars, is a fantasy turn-based tactical video game developed by Ino-Co and published by 1C Company. The game was released through GamersGate on October 2, 2007. Fantasy Wars features 4 playable races: humans, orcs, elves and dwarves. The single-player story includes 3 campaigns, taking place over a series of tactical hex maps. The game uses a 3D game engine and includes role-playing video game gameplay features such as experience points and skills. Fantasy Wars is distributed electronically by GamersGate and GOG and is published in Europe by Nobilis France. The game is distributed in Scandinavia by Paradox Interactive and in North America by Atari. In April 2008, Paradox Interactive announced a sequel to Fantasy Wars entitled Elven Legacy. Elven Legacy is developed by 1C Ino-Co and was released in April 2009. Fantasy Wars official website. Ino-Co's website. In Russian. Fantasy Wars 1C website.